Oh man. Oh man, that's hot. Oh geez. Trev, you gotta check this out, man. 3 at once, buddy. Oh my God, look at it. Look at it go. I love to watch. Brad here, G2 motherfucking G. You know what day it is. What are we talking about today? I'll tell you what we're talking about. Fermenters. There's a few different kinds, especially for your home brewer. There's a lot of different fancy stuff going on. What do I need? What's the best bang for my buck? All that good kind of stuff. So we've got, for starters, got the good old pail, just a pail. You ferment in there, you transfer into the keg, or you transfer into the bottling bucket, go bottles. Ain't nothing wrong with that. We got a couple different sizes. We got 21, 23 liter, 30 liter, and 46 liter. Those guys vary from, about $20 to $33. Obviously more expensive as you go up. You don't really get to see through them. I like to watch. So, we gotta do something about that. Carboy, you definitely get to watch. It will never take on any of the properties of what's inside it because it's glass. However, it's only 6 gallons total size. So if you're doing a 21 liter batch that only gives you about this much headspace, you're going to get foam coming out of the airlock for sure. They're also a little bit tougher to clean. The only way to do it is to fill them and brush them. If you like that kind of shape, next thing we got is the Fermonster. This is 7 gallons, so now you've got way more headspace. It's got a big old lid on the top that even these big fat arms can get almost all the way in. Not quite to the bottom, but And these are pretty cheap. It's $45 for this, $40 for the Fermonster. Much easier to clean. Don't necessarily have to fill them up all the way. You can just get your hand in there, wipe it out, rinse it out, and you get to watch. Next up, we've got the SS BrewTech brew buckets. We use a lot of these in the back. I really like them. They're stainless steel. They got a conical bottom. They're probably the closest thing we sell to fermenting like the pros do. However, you don't get to watch. I like to watch. And they're very expensive. This one here is with the display. $300 without the display, $289. I mean, this is the standard. This is what we use. However, it's kind of like a really pricey pail. Next up from that, we have the FermZilla All-Rounder. And this is a fancy, fancy unit. You get to watch, you can ferment under pressure, you can transfer it to even a unitank and use it as a keg to serve out of in your fridge if you want to. This thing's cool, but I find if you're not gonna use all the extra bits for it, it's kind of seems a bit extra work for me, but you get to watch. So these are the main styles here in Grange Glass. My favorite two, if I had to go, would be the Fermonster or the SS. Again, if you're looking to do the unitank thing, this is an awesome unit. If you want to know everything there is to know about that, Paul Tower, YouTube. Until next time, don't let this fuck you up.